Welcome to the 2026 Strategic Briefing, focused on the watch culture rewind. Today, we'll examine the top 20 trending integrated bracelet watches, where 70s heritage meets 2026 viral aesthetics. Ranking number 1 is the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak 16202, the undisputed king of integrated design. The Jumbo features the iconic 39mm diameter and an ultra-thin 7.1mm profile, marking the pinnacle of horological status. The Patek Philippe Nautilus 5811 is pure sophistication. This white gold piece captures the essence of the 1976 original, while integrating modern clasp adjustment technology. Extreme scarcity and heritage preservation remain the strategic focus. Next, the Vacheron Constantin Overseas 4520 volts is the travel-ready Titan. It features the industry's best quick-change strap system, making it incredibly versatile. Demand has surged in 2026 due to its one-watch collection capability, supported by 150-meter water resistance. The Indus Meridian Artisanal demonstrates regional mastery. This boutique piece features a hand-hammered integrated bracelet inspired by ancient architectural motifs. Its key catalyst is micro-batch production and hand-finished movement plates. The IWC Engineer 40 is a Genta-designed technical masterpiece. Reintroduced for the modern era, the 2026 model focuses on ergonomics and its iconic checkered grid dial. At rank 6 is the Chopard Alpine Eagle 41, a leader in sustainable luxury. Manufactured from 80% recycled lucent steel, its Elech blue energy dial with an eagle-eye texture is a viral favorite on YouTube. The Girard Perregaux Laureato 42 is the connoisseur's choice. With its octagonal bezel and polished Clou de Paris dial, it offers a sophisticated alternative to more mainstream icons. The Karakoram Ascent represents high-altitude engineering. This regional boutique piece is designed for extreme environments, featuring a Grade 5 titanium case and a proprietary shock absorption movement system, embodying rugged elegance. The Bulgari Octo Finissimo is the record breaker. Combining Italian flair with Swiss precision, its 110 facet architecture and ultra-thin profile represent the future of integrated geometry. The Zenith Defy Skyline offers 1/10 second precision, powered by the El Primero movement. The lightning-fast small seconds hand is a viral sensation, complemented by the star pattern dial and 12-sided bezel. Moser Cie Streamliner center seconds redefines minimalism. The fluid, organic curves of its integrated bracelet are often considered the most comfortable in the luxury world. The Parmigiani Tanda PF Micro Rotor is the peak of quiet luxury. Its platinum knurled bezel and grain d'orge guilloche dial define its subtle dominance among the if you know crowd. The Czapek and H is the indie darling that took 2025 and 2026 by storm. Its SXH5 movement with a micro rotor is a visible work of art through the sapphire caseback. The Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 is the gateway watch for integrated designs. In 2026, its 80-hour power reserve and waffle dial remain the best value proposition under $1,000. Christopher Ward the 12 Ti offers titanium disruption, providing titanium finishing at steel prices. This piece has compelled heritage brands to rethink their 2026 value strategy. The Cartier Santos de Cartier is the original pilot's watch with an integrated link look. Its smart link system remains the industry benchmark for consumer-friendly bracelet sizing. The Bell & Ross BR05 is an industrial design choice. By rounding the corners of their signature cockpit-inspired case, they created a viral, integrated sensation, the quote, circle in a square. Frederique Constant High Life blends classic aesthetics with an integrated twist. The series offers high-end complications, like perpetual calendars, housed in a sporty integrated shell. The Citizen Tsuyosa is the summer watch king. Its bold yellow and Tiffany blue dials have dominated social media feeds, offering integrated flair for an entry-level budget. The Oris Aquis Calibre 400 focuses on sustainable performance. It integrates the high-performance Calibre 400 movement with a 10-year warranty into their iconic diver with a proprietary integrated bracelet system. Looking at the 2026 sector distribution, ultra-luxe models are dominated by steel demand with a 45% share. Independent brands like Czapek and Moser capture 25% of the artisanal market, while entry-level brands like Citizen and Tissot lead high-volume sales with 30%. The 2027 projection indicates a titanium shift. Industry data suggests that grade 5 titanium will replace 316L steel as the most trending material due to demand for lightweight ergonomics. We expect a 32% rise in lightweight composite bracelets. This strategic analysis was provided by Horology Intel Group. Thank you for viewing this video.